back to another video. Today we get some more freezer Skittles.
I don't know if they Skittles or what, and then we got these.
DR.
We got these from Burlington, so let's get right
and this is the cool little Kinder. Okay, we'll open these ones first. Move that out the way for me.
Wait.
Y'all smell that, look.
Alright.
I'll call fight. I'll call first bites.
What you think?
It tastes like that one nerd candy.
That's what I
pretty
think.
dry. And you just stole it.
And this too bad. We got them from Burlington. Y'all see the price on there. Alright. We're gonna get into these.
Skittles.
We don't know if they Skittles or whatever they is.
Skittles. Sour Skittles.
I don't know if that's what they is.
This DR.
We don't know.
I do. Mom's blind.
And leave that one.
These are sour Skittles, y'all.
Why would you put them on the table? They don't taste like it. They taste different. They don't taste the same.
Oh, no, I know why. It's just not sour.
No, yes it is.
Oh, no.
It don't taste the same. These not sour Skittles for sure. These some knockoff.
But it's still good.
Yeah, they still is. Y'all go get y'all some Burlington.